Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the like and share button. Beet, mushroom, and avocado salad. This heart-healthy salad is loaded with antioxidants, fiber-filled vegetables, and healthy unsaturated fats. Ingredients: 4 medium portobello mushroom caps, 1/4 C, lemon juice, 3 tablespoon olive oil, 1 small shallot, finely chopped, 5 ounces baby kale, 8 ounces pre-cooked beets, chopped, 2 ripe avocados, thinly sliced, 2 sheets matzo, crushed into bite-sized pieces. Directions: on large rim baking sheet, spray portobello mushroom caps with non-stick cooking spray and sprinkle with 1/2 teaspoon salt. Roast at 450 F 20 minutes or until tender. Whisk lemon juice, olive oil, shallot and 1/4 teaspoon each salt and pepper. Toss half with baby kale and beets. Divide among serving plates. Top with avocados, matzo, and portobellos, thinly sliced. Serve with remaining dressing on the side. If you like our channel, share with your friends. Press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.